Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your everyday digital life. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward but essential: how to view attachments in Yahoo Mail for 2025. Whether you're dealing with photos, documents, or videos sent by friends or colleagues, Yahoo Mail makes it easy to access them. This guide is perfect for beginners, so let's dive right in and get you viewing those files in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Yahoo Mail account. If you haven't already, head over to mail.yahoo.com and enter your email and password. Once you're in, you'll land on your inbox. That's your starting point. Now, scan through your emails and find the one with the attachment. Look for the paperclip icon or a thumbnail preview next to the subject line. That's your clue. Alright. Step 2. Click on the email to open it. You'll see the sender's message, and below that, the attachment should be visible. In the 2025 update, Yahoo has made this even smoother with a dedicated attachment bar at the bottom of the email. Simply tap or click on the attachment file. It could be a PDF, image, or any other type. A preview window will pop up, allowing you to view the file directly in your browser without downloading it first. If you prefer to download, just hit the download button in the corner. One handy tip: if the attachment isn't loading, check your internet connection or ensure your browser is up to date. Yahoo Mail in 2025 also supports mobile viewing, so on your phone, open the Yahoo Mail app, select the email, and swipe to the attachment section. It's that simple. There you have it. Viewing attachments in Yahoo Mail is quick and hassle-free. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay connected and tech-savvy in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.